Good evening, YouTubers. New channel. Not one of these fancy folks that's good on talking on cameras. Been mechanicking off and on most of my life. I like videos straight to the point. Not going to detail the process of how I got to here on this video, but there's a ton more content coming. I don't really care about the fame or money or subscribers. And if it helps somebody out, that's great. This is a 2005 Volkswagen Jetta. Customer complaint was trouble starting the car after a fill-up, hesitation and jerking in town, and then OBD reader pulled, misfire codes, and large evap leak. Misfire codes turned out to be these little boogers here. Replaced all 5 spark plugs. Coils tested fine. You can test those with a multimeter. The large evap leak, you're going to see a lot of videos tell you to read voltage, check this, check that. Now if it's a large leak, your purge valve's stuck open. Just don't even waste your time. Replace it. It's cheap. It's easy to do. It does not come with a mount, however. Just trying to figure that one out. And on this one, that's pretty much it. It wasn't overly complicated. Everything's Torx on here. No 5/16 or 1/4 inch or 3/8 like standard vehicles are. I gotta say the top cover was a little bit of a sucker to get off, but once you can figure that one out, pops off just like a regular, but you've got to undo the mass airflow sensor, which screws into the intake with 2 Phillips screws. And right here, you'll have a little 5/16 to back out, and she'll pop right off there. Just give her a little bit of a yank. But yeah, future content will be the same for the most part. I like to get to the point. I know people looking for this information are usually busy. I will do some diagnostics. I will be doing some future videos on rich and lean conditions, fuel trims, control arms on Corollas, because it took me forever to find any information on that one. So yeah, if you're interested, just keep an eye on it, and further content is forthcoming. Have a good day.